Hello everyone, my name is Farrell Ferdinand with a student identification number 25 14500 36. Today I am deeply honored to present a comprehensive analysis on critical yet frequently underappreciated pillar of the global energy supply chain. Warehouse operation in oil and gas logistics. When we think of the oil and gas industry, our minds immediately fly to offshore drilling platforms, massive overland pipelines, or giant marine tankers. However, the heartbeat of this massive capital operation is actually sustained behind the scenes within highly specialized warehouse. Over the next 10 minutes, uh, as next and strategic foundation uh, to understand why oil and gas warehousing requires an entirely different operational paradigm compared to standard retail or e-commerce logistics. We must first examine its strategic foundation. Okay. In this section, we will discuss the unique macro-level role that these facilities play in mitigating extreme upstream financial risks and managing the volatile swings of the global energy market. Okay, next. Uh, the strategic role of oil warehousing. Uh, let us look at our first strategic pillar on the left, minimizing rig downtime. In offshore exploration, time is literally millions of dollars. If an offshore drilling platform experiences a mechanical failure, every single hour of unplanned halt can cost the operator upwards of ten to $15,000, accumulating to over $250,000 per day. The warehouse primary mission is to store and protect critical MRO, which stand for maintenance, repair, and operation supplies. When a safety valve or drill pipe fails, the warehouse must be capable of executing an emergency zero latency dispatch. Uh, if the part is in stock, or if it cannot be found due to poor logistics, the financial consequences are catastrophic. Now look at the right column. Buffering market volatility. The oil market is notoriously volatile, influenced by geopolitical tension, shifting demands, and upstream exploration bottlenecks. And oil and gas warehousing is not just a building, it is a strategic cushion. By maintaining a carefully calculated inventory of special chemical, heavy-duty casing, and high-pressure components, we insulate upstream assets from supply chain shock, ensuring that physical drilling operation can continue smoothly regardless of short-term external logistic risks. Next, end-to-end operational life cycle. How does a specialized energy warehouse execute this strategy on a day-to basis? It relies on the rigorous, highly disciplined end-to-end operational life cycle. Let's break this down into three distinct phases. First, on the left, quality receiving. In standard retail logistics, receiving is simple. You scan a barcode and place the box on a shelf. In oil in oil logistics, receiving is an engineering process. When high-value assets such as capital drill head or blowout preventers arrive, warehouse teams must perform stringent verification of physical mail certificates, check pressure testing logs, and verify metallurgical grade marking, storing an unverified or substandard component could lead to an environmental disaster downstream. Second, in the center, segregated storage. This is where safety meets spatial planning. We are dealing with highly volatile substances. We must strictly isolate incompatible industrial chemical to prevent hazardous reaction. Volatile gas canister must be kept under specialist climate control shelters, while heavy industrial machinery must be strategically secured on high-capacity floor layout. Finally, on the right, outbound dispatch. Dispatch requires absolute synchronous precision. We utilize just-in-time or JIT scheduling to coordinate with heavy transport vehicles. Many special air freight manifests for remote pipeline location or organized supply vessel logistic for offshore rigs. Every outgoing item must be precisely timed to meet the exact arrival window at the field. Next, OHA is a compliance and safety standard. This brings us to the core ethos of energy logistics (HSA) or health, safety and environment. In our line of work, a logistic failure does just mean a late package. It can mean loss of human life or irreversible environmental destruction. Let us look at the three critical standards highlighted here. First, rigid spill containment. Every chemical tank and hazard fluid barrel must be backed by custom bondwell. Next, uh, this is process optimization. In the now that we have established the strategic and safety foundation, let's use transition into our second core module, process optimization. In this section, we will look at the hard metrics of warehouse management, evaluate how layout configuration directly affect throughput speed, and examine the economic costs of logistical delay. Next, unplanned downtime impact. Take a look at this number 99, 99.8% in oil and gas logistics. This is not just higher achiever goals. It is the industry standard target MRO for fulfillment. Next, operational excellence trend lines. To illustrate how the industry has responded to challenge, let us examine figure 1 151, which outlines the 5 years progression of the global MRO for fulfillment rate from 2020 to 2025. If we look at the trend line, we can see a clear, steady upward trajectory. Next, the evaluation structural warehousing layout. Achieving this high performance trends requires to design the physical warehousing with extreme technical care. On this slide, we compare the three primary structural layout used in the industrial energy warehousing. Feature and technology. This brings us to our final module, feature and technology. As we look ahead, the integration of Industry 4, 450 technologies is completely transforming how we manage energy logistics. We are moving away from manual operation and moving toward fully connected, intelligent, and autonomous warehouse ecosystem. Okay, next. Technology stack integration. Let us explore the core technology stack that is driving this transformation today, broken down into three distinct integrated pillars. Okay, next. Question and answer. In collision warehousing, operation in oil and gas logistics are far more than just a place to store fish and valves. They are mystics, strategically vital node in the global energy network that keeps our world running. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and see you again.